Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our latest fitness tips and routines. Today, we're diving into a topic that's crucial for anyone looking to get fit and stay healthy: how to create an effective workout routine that you can stick to. We all know how challenging it can be to start and stick to a workout routine. It's easy to get excited about a new fitness plan, but keeping up with it long-term can be tough. So, if you're ready to make your fitness goals a reality and finally stick to a workout routine, keep watching. Step 1. Set clear goals. Before you even start planning your workout routine, it's essential to define what you want to achieve. Are you aiming to lose weight, build muscle, increase endurance, or just stay active? Be specific. Instead of saying, "I want to get fit," try, "I want to lose 10 pounds in 3 months." A goal that is measurable. Track your progress with metrics like weight, reps, or running time. A goal that is achievable. Set goals that are realistic given your current fitness level and lifestyle. Step 2. Choose the right exercises. Your workout routine should include a mix of cardio, strength training, and flexibility exercises. Incorporate cardio activities like running, cycling, or swimming. It helps with heart health and calorie burning. Include strength training like weights or resistance exercises to build muscle. Don't forget stretching or yoga to improve flexibility and reduce injury risk. Step 3. Create a balanced schedule. Consistency is key, but so is balance. Avoid overloading yourself at the start. Don't forget weekly plan. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate aerobic activity or 75 minutes of vigorous activity each week, plus muscle strengthening activities on 2 or more days. Incorporate rest days to allow your body to recover and prevent burnout. Step 4. Start small and build up. Avoid overwhelming yourself with an intense routine right away. Begin with manageable workouts and gradually increase intensity as you build strength and endurance. Step 5. Stay motivated. Finding motivation is essential to sticking with your routine. Try different variety of activities to keep things interesting. Incorporate music. Create a workout playlist that pumps you up. Step 6. Track your progress. Keep track of your achievements and milestones to stay motivated and make adjustments as needed. Use a journal. Document your workouts, progress, and any changes in how you feel. Introduce apps and gadgets. By utilizing fitness apps and gadgets to monitor your progress. There you have it. By setting clear goals, choosing the right exercises, creating a balanced schedule, starting small, staying motivated, and tracking your progress, you'll be on your way to an effective workout routine that you can stick to. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and leave a comment below with any questions or tips of your own. Don't forget to subscribe for more fitness content, and I'll see you in the next video.